I generated this in less than 30 seconds. Are you ready to transform your ideas into artistry like this, and even this? Allow AI to enable your creativity by controlling it with the correct prompts. The fastest way to get access to MidJourney is with Discord. Download it at discord.com, create an account, and join the MidJourney Discord server by going to discord.gg/MidJourney. Link is in the description below. Once you're in, go into one of the newbie channels and type /imagine followed by what you're imagining. Here I'm doing /imagine 4K Ultra real cute brown dog with hat sitting on grass, backyard, sunny. It will take a few seconds for it to load, but once it loads, you can then click into it and view the fully upscaled image in the grid. Use U1 to upscale picture 1 in the grid. Same goes for 2, 3, and 4. Use V1 to generate another 4 images with number 1. Use V2 for 2, 3 for 3, and 4 for 4. The refresh arrow logo will submit the prompt again, refreshing all 4 pictures in the grid. To download the images, right-click, save image, and a window will open up prompting you to save it. Welcome to the vibrant realm of AI-driven artistry. Let's revolutionize your creativity. Like and subscribe.